Hello everyone, I'm Sneha. Today I like to talk about a cybercrime, how it is growing rapidly in India. A cybercrime it refers to illegal activity carried out through a computer, mobile and phones or internet network. It has been recent year digital technology has become essential part of everyday life. A people dependent on the smartphone and the internet. The link, online scam, identity the thief, account hacking, and a false advertisement to the trapper innocent people. Many users are not fully aware of online security and participate, which makes them an easy target. A young student, employee, and the business owners and the elder people are all affected to the crime or cyber crime and can be dangerous a personal and financially, emotionally, and sometimes it also affect the reputations of themselves to understand a cyber crime risk. In the recent year, the number of the internet users has increased very quickly, especially after the growth of smartphone and the digital payment system. While in the digital development is helpful for the education, business and the communication, it has create more opportunity for the cybercrime to target the people throughout the different online platform. Many advantage of the people, lack of awareness and the trust of the stealing their personal information for the money. One of the common reason it has been increased the cybercrime in that many users are not carefully while clicking unknown links and they are downloading the application for untrusted sources. Sometimes people are responding fake messages and that look like they are very sent to a blank government office or the proper companies without verifying any sources. It can be any sources. You must be verified before you are sharing your personal detail. And it is very most important to us, before you are sharing any, you need to must verify it, and which can be lead your financial, also it can be loose to you. So social media platforms are also being misused. When you are using a social media platform also it can be misused, and also to create a fake profile, and many people they start cheating the users people in the social media platform. It can be affect the people individually, but also it create many more challenges for the people who are starting the business people and the organization. Like many companies also, it can be lose the importance of they lose the many data and they suffer in the financial financial demands, and also they face the problem like a reputation. Due to the financial problem, they lose the due to a cyber attack. They also face a many problem like a reputations problem, like a financial problem. It can be affect to them like organizational and the business and also companies. Therefore, it is not necessary for everyone to stay alert and improve their digital awareness in that. When we stay alert and when we use the technology very carefully, it can be helpful for us, and use the technology with the proper responsibility where we can reduce cybercrime.
How to stay safe from the cyber crimes? Here are some points. Never share your OTP with anyone. Use the strong password for all the account. Avoid clicking unknown links. Avoid using a public Wi-Fi for a bank work. And download the apps only as trusted sources.
It can be also come through the fake APK files. The APK files, it is a recent case study from the Karnataka. It has been received one of the women who has been received a digital wedding invitation through a mobile message, and she just she have been just downloaded that APK file without checking any without checking any authority. Within a short time, the cybercrime it has been gained to access her mobile. Just one click, it has been occurred a cybercrime, and the woman has been lost 2 lakhs of the amount. And later she reported the incident to the cyber crimes authorities, people who take care of that, in charge of the people. When she report the people, and for example, when you are clicking APK file, when you click that APK file, all your data and all your information, it directly received it. So when the lady have been clicked the APK file, she have been lost 2 lakhs amount. So avoid installing an unknown application from the message. So before you're clicking on any files or any website, you just verify it and just go through about the message. And this was a case study where it happened. Also, it is there the online job scam, where the people they use the online job scams, where the people they believe and they start investing their money, and later it can be the scam of the job offer scam for the government related post. And many people were applied for the government related post for the job offer, and seeing the advertisement on the social media platform. Some of the people they have seen the social media platform and they have been clicked the advertisement on that. Later it has been asked for them to pay for the application fees. After that, there will be a form of application there will be a procedure, right, to pay the money, and they ask them to pay the application fees for the processing and the charge after they receiving the money. And there it has been occurred on the disappointed and the application were realized that has been cheated. Many people they have been cheated. Many people they have been cheated due to this job offer from this government. And before you are applying any job, before you need to verify it and confirm your job opportunity only in the official website. When you are getting a job opportunity, you have to check through your official website, not clicking on the social media platform or seeing the website on a clicking. It can be a scam. One of the people that investment has been taken some of the platform of the taking a quick profit, and the people they trusted and some of the scheme and they transferring the amount, and then later the money were not returned to them. It was a fake website and it was a lost 3 crores amount. Many people have invested in that app without knowing, and it was known that was a fake investment app. So they have been lost their money due to this investment without knowing. Unknowing they have been without knowing and unknowing they have been invested the money of their hard works of the careful when you are investing in the sum of the amount in app. And to be a conclude, the cyber crime has becoming one of the major challenges in today in digital agency as a technology. And to continuous, we need to be a stop this cyber crime. And the internet they provide many opportunity for learning, communication, and the financial growing in the required use. And act the responsibility and carefully. Be careful and also act the responsibilities. And a small mistake will be used in digital platform. It can be some mistake. Some mistake can be lead as very serious issue. And such as your financial use or misusing your personal information itself. Before you're clicking or before you're sharing an info, just cross verify it. As I showed how to be safe in digital technology, you have to follow before you're sharing your OTP or maintain your strong password. Creating awareness among the people, one of the most effective way to control the cybercrime in the society, schools and the college and the families. And also your communication should be encourage a safe digital behavior and the responsible in the internet usage. At the same time, a citizen also must be stay verify the information, trusting in the message before they are click on the links. Every individual follow the safe on the online practice and support cybercrime awareness, and it will be helpful to build a more secure the digital environment in the future generation. Let us all take a responsibility to protect ourselves and others while using the technology. Thank you for watching my video. Like and share and subscribe. And if you have any suggestion of you, comment it below. Thank you. Bye bye.